Hello, in this video I'm going to show how to create a manufacturer order, and as soon as some products are ready, we're going to be able to have these on our warehouse ready to, let's say, deliver or ready to sell or ready to do the action that you will need to do next. In this case, if I have a manufacturer order, so let's say I have one manufacturer order and I produce 10 units of a final product. But as soon as I finish 5 products, I'm going to be able to have these 5 products in my warehouse. So how to do that in Odoo? In this case, I will see how it goes. I will jump into my manufacturing app and go to my master data products, and I have my components and I have my final product. In this case, I will click my final product, and as you can see, this product, if I go to my inventory tab, is a manufactured product. This product will also need a bill of materials, and as you can see, here are the components that I will need and the quantities, okay? Of course, this could be more complicated, but this is just an easy example to show how it works and the logic behind this process. So I'm gonna go to my operations, manufacturing orders, and I'm gonna create one order for my final product, and I'm gonna produce 10 units, okay? As you can see, I am gonna click here, mark as to do. Check here are the stages of my process, and here are the button actions. So what's to do, what do I need to do next? So here I'm gonna check my availability. As you can see, these components change from red to green. That means that I will need to consume these materials, and I do have them in my warehouse, in my warehouse. So in that case, I reserve to use it to produce these final products. So in that case, I'm just gonna click produce, and as you can see, I can click here how many I'm gonna produce. If I click save right now, that means that I am gonna produce 10. But in this case, I just want to produce, let's say, 5. So I'm just going to say 5. I click save. And as you can see, it is still in progress. If I click here in finished product, I do have 5 finished products. And I can click here my stock move, and you can see where your components were. Now they are in a virtual location, and now you have a final product. Okay. If I go to my products, and I go to my final products, I can see here that I have on hand 0. Why don't I have 5 if I already finished 5, right? Because we need to do an extra steps. The forecasted is 10 because I am going to manufacture 10. However, I already finished 5. I'm still missing 5, but I already finished 5. So I would like to have these 5 here in on hand to be ready to use them for something because I sell it or because I need to use it internally in my company. So what to do? In that case, if I go to my manufacturing order, you can see here that you do not have the option. What you need to do is that you need to activate the developer mode, go here to settings, scroll down to developer mode, and then as soon as that is active, you go back to your manufacturing, you go back here, and you're going to have this extra button which say pause inventory. What that means is that whatever finished product you have, you're going to have it available in your inventory. So let's click here, pause inventory. It's already paused. As you can see here, now it's like a little bit gray. And if I go back to my products and I go back to my final product, on hand, I already have 5. So that was the main purpose of this video, is just to show this. And of course, if I want to continue my manufacturing order, I just can click here and click produce. And it's going to tell you, okay, produce the rest. And as soon as we save these, it's going to be into close. And again, here, I already produced them. As you can see here, it's going to tell you that now we have these already produced, but it's not going to be in our warehouse yet until we mark this as done. As you can see, if I go to my products, here is still 5. So what I need to do is just mark this as done. Now my MO is done. I can see my product move, my evaluation, and my cost analysis of this production. And then I can see here in my final product that I have on hand 10 and forecasted 10. So that's the way that you do it. Any question, just shoot me an email and I will answer as soon as I can.